In my consciousness, Prakriti exists. In your consciousness, Prakriti exists. In your mind, Prakriti exists. In my mind, Prakriti exists. In everybody's mind, Prakriti exists. It might not be same Prakriti. With your own perception, with your own understanding, the definition changes. But Prakriti exists. It is here. Now when we talk about consciousness, that consciousness is infinite. So therefore, in my infinite consciousness, your infinite consciousness exists because it is infinite. In your infinite consciousness, my infinite consciousness exists. In your infinite consciousness, everybody's infinite consciousness exists. In everybody's infinite consciousness, your infinite consciousness exists. There is nothing like called as interlinked because there is only one consciousness exists. And everybody's independent consciousness exists in that infinite consciousness. So when your infinite consciousness becomes one with that infinite consciousness, one consciousness, there is only one consciousness. Is it clear? I think very high philosophy, but it's clear. There is only one consciousness exists. Though it exists in my mind or your mind or somebody's mind, it is only one consciousness exists. When you try to see that one consciousness everywhere, when you try to see that one consciousness everywhere, then you don't have any separation.
So can you say when you are sleeping?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't know that you're sleeping.
Yes.
The same thing like you're dissolved, you're sleeping. You don't know you're sleeping, but I mean that state where you're completely, you don't know who's, I mean, you're completely asleep.
Yes.
There's no state of happiness, sadness, or any Prakriti, nothing is attached to you when you're sleeping.
Yes.
Is that the same state when you can say that you're dissolved, but immediately when you come out of sleep, you have the same things you go on through? Like you're saying, I mean, you have first thoughts and then everything, it comes to gross level writing down. But you are sleeping where there is a time in your life, in your everyday life, practically every day you go through this. You're sleeping and there is a state where you are dissolved completely in Him.
I would like to modify your statement different so that it will be more clear for you all. This is once for all. Whole life you can stick to that statement. There is slight difference is there between sleep and meditation.